What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So anyways, before I get into it, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. I am recording on my phone, so if the audio sucks, it just sucks because for some reason I can't figure out my GoPro and my actual camera, the SD card snapped in half, and I just never went and bought a new one. It's not record like that anyways. But this G35 has been sitting for like almost a year, I think. I don't know, it's been sitting for a while and I was meant to like mess with it, but just never started, just never did it. And now we started it. And we started with wrap first. And it's getting wrapped right now for our friend. And I'm gonna try and fix these headlights. If not, I'm gonna find new ones. But I remember I ordered this kit like hecka long ago and I just remembered it. So I don't feel like I'm just like doing nothing out here. I just remembered it. And we're gonna try and bring these crusty dusty headlights back to life. But I don't know how it's gonna work. We washed the car yesterday already, so they are clean, but I did wipe it down really fast just in case, okay? Just in case. I don't know if the kit's gonna work or not, but we're gonna try it out because I literally got it off Amazon. And we're gonna go from there and see if it actually works. I mean, they sell them, so they should work. And it comes with literally everything you need for your little kit to bring your dusty headlights back. I feel like the other one looks worse, so I don't know. The people before me did not take care of the car. Like, I think it was like a sideshow car, I'm not gonna lie. So I kind of got effed over in a way, but I'm not really tripping about that. And the only thing you need from yourself is a drill, so thankfully I have that. Surprisingly, I have it. And we're just gonna follow the instructions. We're gonna start off on this side over here. Dang, this is why we need blades. I had a knife somewhere. Luckily, it came with instructions because I'm not gonna lie, like, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I'm gonna try and do it. And it says I'm gonna separate all the grits of the sandpaper so I can see it like eye to eye. And like I'm gonna take everything out the box actually and then kind of go from there. The car while Juju went to AutoZone, I asked her for a kit and she still bought me one after I said I didn't need it because I found it. So let me take all this jugs out. We're trying to be an active queen on YouTube, but shit, it's so hard on YouTube. Okay, so I started with spraying the headlight with water first, and then just getting off whatever dirt is left on the headlight. We'll just do it slowly. Damn, that stuff is strong. Okay, so I wanted to still upload this video, and you never know, maybe people have advice or something else that'll work for like the headlights and stuff. So I did try doing it, and I followed literally all the steps, but it didn't work out for me for some reason. Like, it just, nothing changed. So I'm either gonna try a different brand of restoration, and if it doesn't work, then I'll probably just go ahead and get like brand new headlights for the car, just to make it pop more and make it look better and cuter, because the headlights are really crusty and they really went through it. So if you have any suggestions, comment down below and I'll probably go through them. If not, I'll probably just get the new headlights. I was just seeing and like trying like a cheaper method and seeing like, oh, maybe it will work, because I've seen a lot of videos of people do it themselves and it'll make the headlights look better, like brand new. So I was just gonna try and do that. Like on my Corvette, the headlights were starting to get like a bit crusty, so all I did was buy new lenses for the car, and I just have to get them installed. So that was easy for that, instead of just buying whole new headlights for the car, because I didn't need new whole headlights. But for the G, the headlights are so freaking crusty, even the bumpers. So I still have to get a new bumper, new headlights, and a bunch of other new things that I've been ordering. So it was just like a quick little method. So if you have any suggestions, please comment down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video of me at least trying, you know. I'm not gonna sit here and just post something and act like, oh, like it worked, and or like all my videos be like, oh, it worked, and it really didn't work. So now I'm gonna post a fail. Like this video was a fail, and it was a flop, but I'm still gonna post it and show you guys that, you know, some YouTubers out there have fails. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm trying to put out back-to-back content, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.